Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Windows 10 to dark mode. Alright, so the first thing we're going to want to do is we're just going to go to our start button and we're just going to click on settings. And then we're going to go to personalization. And from here, you want to click on themes in the list. And in the themes, there's a few options here, but the main two is the Windows Lite and just the normal Windows. Now, if we click on the Windows button, it will change it to dark mode, sort of. So what it does, it changes the taskbar and it changes your start menu to dark, but it also changes your background and it just leaves the settings as white, and it also just leaves File Explorer as white. So this, if you like it like this, then that's okay. You can even change it back to light mode and everything's just white. But if you're like me and you want to customize it and you want to have your own background, or say you want your settings dark and you want the taskbar white, or you want the taskbar some other color and you want this dark, all you have to do to customize it is just go to colors in the list. And when you're in colors, you'll see it says choose your color. Now currently it's on light, but all you have to do to change it to dark mode is just go down the list and just click on dark. And that will just change everything to dark. As you can see in the start menu, everything's dark. If I open up File Explorer, it's all dark as well. So that's kind of the way I like it personally. But if you want to be a bit more specific, you can just simply click on the list again and click custom. Now what that allows you to do, I'll give you an example. If I click on the choose your default Windows mode, if I click on light, it just changes my taskbar and also the startup menu to light, but it leaves everything else dark. So if I go to File Explorer, as you can see, it's dark. But if I put that back on dark and choose your default app mode to light, that will leave all basically the way it was before. It leaves all your settings and File Explorer light, but your taskbar and the settings is dark. Now I personally like to put them both on dark, and also I like to tick this transparency effect. It's not crucial, I just personally like it as my own opinion. As you can see on the bottom there, you can kind of see it coming through here. But it's not a big deal. You don't have to add that if you don't want to. And if you want to be really specific, like you can change your taskbar to a different color. So if I keep it on custom and then click on a color, say blue, and then just tick the boxes down here where it says start taskbar and action center, it'll change that to the blue color. Even in my start menu settings, it changes all those colors. I can also add it to the title bars and window borders. So you probably can't see it with this background. I'll quickly change the background so you can see that. Background. So as you can see around my settings, there's a blue border. I think it also adds it, it adds it on here as well. So you can see it's got a blue custom theme around the dark mode. You can change that color to anything you like. So if I go back to colors, scroll down, I can change it to pink, for example. So you can have all those settings pink. So you can really just make it whatever you want. You can even do custom color where you can set it to some very unusual color and set it like that. And that kind of looks cool. You know, you can customize as much as you want. And you can also change your background to whatever you want. So that's basically it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, leave in the comments below and I'll try and answer that as much as I can. But that's basically it. Very easy to do, as you can see. And I hope you guys have fun with it. Thank you for watching.